Hello mga katami! Tayo na't magluto ng adobong manok. Don't forget to like and subscribe para updated ka sa mga bagong videos ko. Narito ang ating mga sangkap. Lalagay ko na lang po sa description box. Let's start by adding oil. After putting the oil, we can now add the chicken. Isa-isa po natin ilagay ang manok. Haluin natin at pa-brownin ng konti ang mga manok. There are different methods to cook adobo. Others do not fry anymore the meat or the chicken, while others started to fry it before marinating. I started adding the onion and saute it with chicken. Mas lumalabas kasi yung lasa ng meat kapag ito ay piniprito. Sa adobo, you can also use pork or pusit. Meron din nag-adobo ng isda. I already added the garlic. Adobo comes from the Spanish word Adobar, which means marinade, seasoning, or it is a viand with sauce. Kung mapapansin nyo, hindi ko na pinabrown yung bawang. Kasi mamaya, isasama ko siya sa pagpiprito ng manok after na ma-marinate yung manok. I then added the pepper. Inuuna kong ilagay ang paminta para habang piniprito lumalasa siya sa manok. Then I add the soy sauce. There are different variations of adobo. What I'm doing now is sweet salty variation. That is why I added soda. I added about half cup of vinegar. I'm now adding this soda. You have the option of marinating them without boiling. Pero kasi ako, pinapakuluan ko talaga siya sa soda kasama yung toyo, bawang, sibuyas para mas lasang-lasa. I'm now putting the laurel leaves. Then let's add the chili. Let the meat boil for about 5 to 10 minutes. After boiling, I started to separate the meat from the sauce and started to fry it separately. So I set aside the marinated sauce and then fry first all the chicken again. This is the second time that I fry it. It is your option if you still wanted to fry the chicken for the second time. I usually do it to be able to get the good aroma and taste of the garlics and the other flavors which I have put earlier. Fry the chicken until it turns into golden brown. Then add the marinated sauce again. Bring it to boil until the sauce slightly thickens. This is optional if you want to add chili garlic or a little spice to your adobo. Adobong manok or chicken adobo is considered as a Filipino national dish. Although its name came from the Spaniards, long time ago the Filipino are already cooking this kind of dish using vinegar. When you put coconut milk to this dish, it will be called Adobong Manok sa gata. So it is somehow like chicken curry, but still it is adobo. As you can see, the soy sauce already thickens. This means that it's already cooked. Now we can start transferring them. Ito na ang masarap at katakam-takam, simot-sarap na adobong manok. Salamat sa panonood! Don't forget to like the video, hit that bell button, and subscribe. Thank you!